Introduction to Prompt Engineering. Sparkles. What is prompt engineering? Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting inputs that yield the most useful and accurate responses from AI language models like GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, and Llama, Large Language Model Meta AI. The goal is to communicate clearly with the AI by giving it detailed and well-structured instructions. Checkmark. Real-life example. Instead of writing, create a report. A better prompt. Create a 1,000-word report summarizing the impact of renewable energy in India, with 3 case studies and a conclusion. A prompt is not just a question or a command. It's a mini conversation starter with the AI that helps it understand exactly what you want. Robot understanding. AI language models, GPT, Llama. AI models process vast amounts of text data and learn language structures, logic, and context. When you ask a question or give a command, a prompt, the model generates responses based on its training. Magnifying glass. GPT, by OpenAI. Very powerful, used in ChatGPT and API services. Ideal for writing, summarization, analysis, translation, etc. Magnifying glass. Llama, by Meta, lightweight, open source, and ideal for offline or embedded applications. Great for custom apps and edge devices. Toolbox. Designing effective prompts. To design a great prompt, follow these steps. Checkmark 1. Define the role of the AI. Set the context of who the AI should act as. Examples: you are a data scientist. You are a high school teacher. Checkmark 2. Be specific about the task. Tell the AI exactly what you want it to do. Examples: summarize this article in 5 bullet points. Generate a 300-word story about a time-traveling cat. Checkmark 3. Add formatting or style requirements. Explain how the output should be formatted. Examples: use simple language. Present results in a table. Anti-clockwise arrows. Complete prompt. Example: you are a nutritionist. Suggest a 7-day vegetarian meal plan for weight loss. Include breakfast, lunch, and dinner for each day. Use bullet points. Puzzle piece. Prompt templates and structures. Pushpin template 1. Instruction plus context. Write a summary of topic in simple English for beginners. Pushpin template 2. Role plus task plus output style. You are an HR manager. Write a job description for a data analyst. Use bullet points. Pushpin template 3. Input plus example plus continuation. Translate to French. Hello. Bonjour. Good night. Bonne nuit. How are you? Continue. Memo. Real-time examples. Paint palette. Content creation prompt. Write a motivational quote in the style of Maya Angelou. Output: courage is not absence of fear, but the will to rise again, each time more whole. Bar graph. Data analysis prompt. You are a data analyst. Explain the correlation coefficient in simple terms with one example. Output: a plain language explanation with a relatable example. Hammer and wrench tools to practice prompt engineering. Test tube. OpenAI Playground. Try different prompts and view responses in real time. Great for beginners. Package hugging face transformers. Python. Use your prompts programmatically. From transformers. Import pipeline. Model equals pipeline. Text generation. Model equals GPT-2. Result equals model. Write a story about a haunted library. Max_length equals 50. Print. Result 0. Generated _text. PCLM Studio. Ollama. Run Llama models on your PC without internet. Useful for offline apps. Brain advanced prompting techniques. 1. Few-shot prompting. Give examples within the prompt to show the format. Translate to Spanish. 1. Good morning. Buenos días. 2. Thank you. Gracias. 3. I love you. Continue. 2. Chain of thought. Ask the model to explain its reasoning step by step. What is 37 plus 45? Let's think step by step. 3. Instruction tuning. Give the prompt in a way that sounds like a classroom task. Explain the concept of blockchain to a 10-year-old using a story. Bullseye best practices summary. Be clear and specific. Vague prompts give vague results. Define the role and task. Help the AI adopt the right mindset. Add formatting cues. Ask for bullet points, tables, tone, etc. Include examples. Show the model what kind of answer you expect. Iterate. Refine and test your prompts for better output. Luggage applications in content creation and data analysis. Checkmark. Content creation, blog writing, script generation, caption creation, poetry, story writing. Prompt: write an Instagram caption about traveling to Japan in a poetic style. Output: cherry blossoms float like memories in Kyoto's breeze. Checkmark. Data analysis, data summary, chart explanations, pattern detection, report generation. Prompt: analyze the trends in this data and suggest 2 actionable insights. Output: short paragraph with patterns plus suggestions. Book's final thoughts. Prompt engineering is a key skill for the AI-powered future. By designing great prompts, you can extract better answers, save time on tasks, build smarter AI apps. Remember, the AI is only as smart as the prompt you give it. Clear instructions equals great results. Keep practicing and refining your prompts, and soon, you'll be speaking fluent. AI. Book Module 9. Advanced Prompt Engineering Techniques. Bullseye prompt tuning and optimization. Prompt tuning is the process of refining prompts to achieve more accurate, relevant, or efficient outputs from language models. Unlike simple prompt writing, tuning involves iteration, testing, and often A/B comparisons. Checkmark. Real-time example. Initial prompt: summarize this data. Tuned prompt: as a data scientist, analyze the following quarterly sales report and summarize key trends and outliers in bullet points. Wrench tips for optimization: use role definitions. Your role: be explicit about format, tables, bullet points, tone, include input context when needed, data, scenarios, test variations and compare outputs. Upward trend business example. Task: generate marketing content. Poor prompt: write ad copy. Tuned prompt: you are a digital marketer. Write a 3-sentence Facebook ad for a fitness app targeting working professionals in their 30s. Anti-clockwise arrows. Multi-turn prompts and conversational AI. Multi-turn prompting refers to ongoing dialogue with an AI, where each message builds on prior context. This technique is foundational in building chatbots, virtual assistants, and customer service AI. Speaking head example scenario. Customer support bot user: my package hasn't arrived. AI: I'm sorry to hear that. Could you provide your order number? User: #45,678 inches. AI: thank you. I see it's delayed due to weather and will arrive in 2 days. Hammer and wrench tips: maintain state context across messages. Use placeholder variables, e.g., name, order _number. Define fallback responses for unclear inputs. Test tube tools to simulate OpenAI Playground, chat mode, Rasa for building conversational flows, LangChain for chaining prompts together. Briefcase. Leveraging prompt engineering in business use cases. Prompt engineering can supercharge efficiency, creativity, and decision-making in business environments. Bar graph. Use case 1, automated reporting prompt: you are a business analyst. Analyze the following sales data and generate a short executive summary with 3 key trends and 1 recommendation. Brain. Use case 2, brainstorming ideas prompt: act as a creative consultant. List 10 marketing campaign ideas for an eco-friendly fashion brand. Memo. Use case 3, HR document drafting prompt: you are an HR manager. Draft a formal warning letter for repeated tardiness. Keep it professional and concise. Email. Use case 4, customer email replies prompt: you are a customer support representative. Write a polite response to a customer complaining about delayed shipping. Offer a 10% discount code. brain prompt engineering for coding and data analysis. Language models like GPT can assist developers, data scientists, and analysts in writing, debugging, and explaining code, or analyzing datasets. Light bulb code generation prompt. Write a Python script that reads a CSV file and plots a bar chart for the sales column. Output, a functional script using pandas and matplotlib. Magnifying glass code explanation prompt. Explain what this piece of Python code does in simple terms. Insert code, use case, training juniors, code reviews, documentation. Bar graph data analysis prompt. You are a data analyst. Describe trends and outliers in the following dataset and provide a short summary. Use case, helps non-technical stakeholders quickly understand insights. Hammer and wrench tools. Jupyter plus Copilot ChatGPT with code interpreter Hugging Face plus transformers for code generation tasks. Link integrating AI models in applications. Prompt engineering becomes even more powerful when integrated into applications via APIs or embedded models. Wrench methods of integration. OpenAI API. Use prompts via HTTP requests in your app's LangChain. Build dynamic prompt chains and workflows. Llama, Ollama. Run lightweight models locally in mobile or desktop apps. Electric plug use case examples. Coding assistant tool. Embeds prompt-driven suggestions inside ID's customer support chatbot. Response using tuned prompts and past customer data. Smart dashboard generator. Converts natural language into SQL queries or chart configurations. Package example prompt with API. Import OpenAI OpenAI.API_key equals your _API_key. Response equals OpenAI. Completion. Create engine equals GPT 3.5 Turbo. Prompt equals generate Python code to clean null values from a data frame. Max_tokens equals 100. Print. Response. Choices 0. Text, books. Final thoughts. Advanced prompt engineering allows you to tailor AI responses for professional needs, improve user interaction in bots and apps, automate time-consuming business communication, collaborate with AI on code, data, and design by tuning, chaining, and context-aware design. Prompts can go from generic to highly strategic tools for modern AI use. Right arrow practice by iterating prompts for different roles, tones, and tasks. This is where prompt engineering becomes an art and a business asset. Graduation CAP Module 10, Capstone Project and Final Assessment Compass. Defining the Capstone Project scope. The Capstone Project is the culmination of your learning journey through the AI, ML and prompt engineering curriculum. This project allows you to apply the knowledge, tools, and techniques you've learned in a practical, real-world scenario. Checkmark objectives. Solve a meaningful problem using AI, ML techniques. Apply prompt engineering strategies for effective model interaction. Develop an end-to-end solution, from data pre-processing to deployment. Pushpin example. Capstone topics. Sales forecasting tool. Use time series analysis to predict sales and prompt engineering for generating reports. iWriting assistant. Build a chatbot that provides grammar suggestions using NLP and transformers. Customer feedback analyzer. Use sentiment analysis and GPT-based summarization to analyze and report on customer reviews. Memo scope template. Problem statement. Define the problem you are solving. Dataset. Identify and pre-process your dataset. Model. Choose an appropriate machine learning model. Prompt design. Plan how prompts will be used for interaction. Evaluation. Decide how you will measure performance. Deployment. Outline how users will interact with your solution. Hammer and wrench. Developing a complete AI, ML solution. Building a full AI, ML solution requires the integration of several components. Small diamond 1. Data pre-processing, cleaning and transforming raw data. Techniques. Normalization, missing value handling, feature selection. Import pandas as PD from sklearn. Pre-processing import standard scalar df equals PD. Read_CSV, data.csv, df, filner, df. Mean, in place equals true, scalar equals standard scalar. df underscore scaled equals scalar.fit underscore transform, df, small diamond 2. Model building, choose between supervised, unsupervised, or deep learning models. From sklearn, ensemble import random forest classifier model equals random forest classifier, model.fit, x underscore train, y underscore train, small diamond 3. Model evaluation, use metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, RMSE, etc. From sklearn, metrics import classification underscore report preds equals model. Predict, x underscore test, print, classification underscore report, y underscore test, preds, small diamond 4. Integration with prompt engineering, combine predictive outputs with LLM generated reports. Speech balloon, implementing prompt engineering for model interaction. Prompt engineering transforms your model into a user-friendly solution by enabling natural language interactions. Brain real-time use cases. Model explanation. Explain this model's prediction in simple terms. Interactive summary. Summarize the output of the model in 3 bullet points. Query handling. Generate follow-up suggestions based on user feedback. Test tube example with OpenAI API. Import OpenAI underscore key equals your underscore key underscore here. Prompt equals summarize the model's performance using the following metrics. Accuracy equals 0.92. Recall equals 0.87. Response equals OpenAI. Completion. Create. Engine equals GPT 3.5 Turbo. Prompt equals prompt. Max underscore tokens equals 100. Print. Response. Choices. 0. Text. Paint palette example prompt templates. You are a machine learning tutor. Explain the decision tree algorithm in layman's terms. You are a product manager. Write a feature update email summarizing the results of our latest sentiment analysis. Bookmark tabs final assessment criteria you'll be evaluated on. Technical implementation, use of ML models and data pipelines. Prompt design, effective use of prompt engineering. Creativity and relevance, practical application and innovation. Presentation, clarity in project documentation and delivery. Graduation cap final submission requirements, source code repository, GitHub, GitLab, etc. Project report, PDF, Markdown, demo video, 5 to 10 minutes. Prompt examples with outcomes. Luggage final thoughts. Your capstone is your chance to prove your ability to design, build, and communicate AI-driven solutions using both ML and prompt engineering skills. Take time to refine your scope, build iteratively, and document thoroughly. This project is not just an assignment, it can be your portfolio piece for job applications or startup ideas. Right arrow ready to begin your capstone. Start by choosing a real-world problem you're passionate about solving. Great! Here's how you can move forward from this point. Brain step 1. Choose your capstone problem domain. Pick a field you care about or want to work in. Here are a few real-world ideas to get you inspired. Microscope healthcare problem. Predict patient readmission using hospital records. Why? Reduce hospital costs and improve care. ML tool. Logistic regression, decision trees. Prompt engineering. Generate personalized discharge summaries. Shopping cart retail problem. Forecast next month's sales and automate report generation. Why? Helps inventory and marketing planning. ML tool. Time series, ARIMA, LSTM. Prompt engineering. Create daily summaries with GPT. Airplane travel problem. Predict flight delays and handle customer queries. Why? Improve user experience and planning. ML tool. XGBoost classifier. Prompt engineering. Customer service bot with delay explanations. Speech balloon. Social media problem. Monitor and summarize public sentiment about a brand. Why? Crucial for reputation management. ML tool. NLP with sentiment classification, prompt engineering, real-time summary plus suggestion prompts. Check mark once you've picked the problem. Use this checklist to start drafting your project. Describe the real-world problem. List the data you'll use. Decide on ML technique, e.g., regression, classification, NLP. Write at least 2 key prompts you'll use to interact with your model. Sketch out a basic architecture: data right pointing arrow, model right pointing arrow, prompt right pointing arrow, output. Would you like me to help you draft your capstone scope? Select a dataset. Create the project repo or report template. Let's get started on making your final project exceptional.